What's going on, guys? Today we're checking out the iFLYTEK Smart Recorder. Now, I'll be honest with you, when I first got this, I wasn't really sure why I would use this or how I would use this, but after using it for a little bit, this thing is really freaking cool. So with that said, let's unbox it and check it out. Now, if you ever struggled with accurately capturing important meetings, lectures, or interviews, this device is an absolute game changer. Now, with that in mind, one of the biggest challenges people face when they're recording is dealing with background noise or missing important details from distant speakers, right? So you've probably been there replaying recording only to realize that parts of it are unclear or lost. That is where the iFLYTEK Smart Recorder comes in to save the day. Now, the iFLYTEK Smart Recorder offers a powerful solution to these issues specifically thanks to its advanced technology. So let me jump into a couple of the features that I think really make this device super awesome. Now, first up, it's got a full offline transcription. So you don't need to connect to anything. You don't need internet access. You literally can transcribe meetings, any type of interviews, things like that without having any internet access right on this. And you can actually see it coming up on the screen as you're doing it, which is really cool. It's also equipped with long distance recording using 2 directional microphones and 4 omnidirectional microphones. You can record crystal clear audio from up to 10 meters away, which is great for large meetings. If some kind of event's happening, you're trying to record audio for that at a distance, you can do that. It just makes it really nice. Or if you're, say you're a student, you're in a classroom, you're not super close to the teacher, you're still gonna get a solid recording and transcription with this from a good distance, which I think, again, really, really cool. The other thing that's absolutely fantastic about this, and this is one of the features that I think honestly sets this thing far and above any of the other recorders that I've ever used, is that this transcription in 5 major languages, making it super versatile for multilingual environments. And obviously, as I mentioned, if you are worried about background noise, that's no problem because it comes with intelligent noise reduction, ensuring that you get clean audio even in noisy environments. And last but not least, it also has secure data transfer. Because you're not connecting to online, you can transfer this between a machine or a mobile device very simply and securely, which also is a huge benefit, especially if you're using this to record events that maybe are very sensitive in nature, things like that. This is a great way to do it. So why would you consider the iFLYTEK Smart Recorder over, say, a standard audio recorder? Well, there's a few different reasons there. It's not about capturing audio necessarily, right? There's plenty of recorders out there that are going to capture good quality audio. The difference is that this allows you to capture it accurately, conveniently, and securely. So whether you're a student, professional, journalist, this recorder is versatile and easy to use across various scenarios. I think it's a really step above the rest. And the fact that you can transcribe in different languages is also just a humongous bonus and a super, super cool technology. Some of the other features that I think are really slick about this is it features a 2-inch touchscreen for navigation, an 8-core processor for faster transcription speeds. It's got internal storage of up to 32 gigabytes, which is great. That's about 175 hours of recording. So basically, regardless of where you're going to be recording, how much you're going to be recording, 175 hours is pretty insane. So this is going to be a lot of lectures, a lot of interviews, or a lot of story recording without losing any data and being able to transcribe all of it, which is slick. So at the end of the day, I would say that this recorder is a must-have for those that are trying to get reliable, high-performing device to capture important audio. So if you're looking for a recording solution that does that type of thing, again, especially for students and people that want to transcribe this stuff directly into text, this is an awesome, awesome device that can do that for you. But with that said, I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.